This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra versus the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Now the Note 20 Ultra, this one has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10 and on its latest version of One UI 2.5. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus has the Snapdragon 865 processor, the non-Plus, just the regular 865, 8 gigs of RAM, also on Android 10, on its latest version of One UI 2.1. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one will have the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G versus Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus 5G speed test. Let's see what happens right now. Which phone will boot up faster? What will happen right now? Oh, I think that was the Yup, that was the S20, as you can see. Yup, I'm gonna have to give it to the S20. And we are in! Alright man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over, and these are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. No recently used apps on both phones. All apps, the caches, the browsers, all have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Draw, messages. Very close. Maybe that was the S20 actually. The camera. I'm gonna go ahead and do it like this, so you can see the viewfinder. I'm gonna give that to the Note. Actually, I'm gonna do that again. I'm gonna put both on video mode, so you can see. I'm gonna leave it there. See if that sticks on the second time around. I'm gonna go ahead and fire up the clock on both phones. Pretty much identical. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Pretty much the same again. Play Store. Virtually a draw. I'm gonna click on the Pokemon. We'll leave it there, and then Amazon shopping. Identical again. We'll click on the deal of the day, and we'll leave it there. And then we do have the eBay on both phones. Man, super fast, very similar performance. I'm gonna click on that, click on this, and then Super Mario Run on both phones. Loading on both phones, let's see what will happen right now. Oh, and give it to the S20 Plus. Tap to begin. Draw on the second step. Temple Run 2. Volcano Island. We'll check this one out. Oh, I think the S20 is out in front actually. We'll let this run. We'll confirm that in a second. And we'll give the win to the S20 Plus here. Tap to play. Subway Surfers. Loading on both phones. And we'll give the win to the Note 20 Ultra on this game. Tap to play. And then we'll leave that in the background. And then next up, we do have the Angry Birds 2. Starting up and logging in on both devices. Ooh, this is a close one. I can't tell. I think it's a tie. Let's have a closer look. And I'm looking at the hand. And I'm gonna call that one a draw. But let me know in the comments. Slow down the video for me on YouTube. Asphalt 9, let's go. Asphalt 9 Legends. I think the S20 is ahead, but we'll see. Yup, we'll give the win to the S20 on this. We'll do that, and then we'll leave that in the background. And then we do have Pubg Mobile, of course. Tencent Games. Oh, I think the Note 20 Ultra is out in front. Let's see. I don't know. And we'll give the win to the Note 20. This one has extra stuff. Get rid of all this. Okay, we'll just get rid of this. There we go. Twitter. IG, Draw, WhatsApp, very close, Snapchat, Thai, pretty much. And then we do have Samsung Internet on both phones. We'll go ahead and do a Google search on, I don't know, what should I look for? Note 20? Just do a general search on Note 20. And then we'll just go ahead and click on the magnifying glass. And then let's see here. We'll click on, what can we click on? We'll click on the CNET, shout out to CNET. So you can see. Now can I do one of these? Yup. Nice and fast on the S20. Do the same thing here. Nice and fast also. I'm telling you, these 120 Hertz displays make a huge difference. Very nice. The scrolling is just so smooth. It really enhances the experience that much more. I love these fast displays that they're coming out with now. Very nice. I love it. All right, let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything's in the background so you can see. And yeah, like I said, the 120 Hertz, like scrolling horizontally here, if you're switching apps, I mean, that is just so smooth. Same thing here on the Note 20 Ultra. Yeah, this really enriches the experience. Love it, man. I love it. We'll just run through these apps again and see what happens. Now keep in mind, the Note 20 Ultra does have 12 gigs of RAM. S20 Plus has 8. So advantage on the hardware to the Note 20. So we'll see how much of a difference the RAM makes here. Will the S20 hang? We'll see. Looking good so far. And then we do have Subway Surf, resume. And you can resume the game. Very nice. And then we do have the Temple Run 2. Same thing as you can see. Boom. Mario Run. No problems yet. I think the S20 might just run the table here. I don't think it's gonna reload. Nope, I don't think so. We'll see what happens. Last few more apps. No reloads yet. Now the camera, remember it was on video mode. So let's see. Both still on video. So kept that in RAM. Messages. Finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. My fellow Samsung Knights, if you have the Samsung Galaxy S20 or S20 Plus or the S20 Ultra, are you gonna upgrade to the Note 20 or Note 20 Ultra? Let me know what you thought about this matchup in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.